It's Holland, Madame A. Francier here with another quick tutorial. While rocking box braids, passion twists, knotless braids, any kind of hairstyle where your hair is braided up, or protective style where your hair is tucked away, but your scalp is still exposed. The whole purpose of a protective style is to protect your hair and, you know, keep it healthy. So you want to continue to moisturize and cleanse your scalp while your hair is, you know, tucked away, or that kind of defeats the purpose of a protective style. So today I just want to do a quick video on how to oil your scalp while you're wearing one of these hairstyles. So all you need is some water, and if you can fill this up with warm water, that's even better, especially on low frosting hair. Please excuse my 9-month-old daughter in the background. So water and some kind of oil of choice, preference. Right now I'm into tea tree oil because my scalp has been flaky lately, and tea tree oil is good for itchy scalps, antifungal, so it's good for a lot of different stuff. And so I also like olive oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, but you can pick whatever you want. You can mix some oils and make your own mixture. It's whatever you want. I like to keep it simple. I don't like to use the sprays that they sell at the beauty supply, because those, for me anyway, cause buildup on my scalp. So I just like to do water and oil. So first you'll start off with spraying your scalp all over. I already did it this morning, but I was not presentable to be recording, so I'll just kind of show you what it looks like. You'll spray your head all over, and you're focusing on your scalp, and you're gonna get the back too. Spray, 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 spray. It doesn't have to be soaking wet, but you know, just to get that moisture in. And then what you'll do is, and you can even heat up your oil if you want, just to be extra. But you'll take a little bit of oil, see, and you'll follow along the partings and just rub it in. I feel like a little bit goes a long way with oils, but you can put as much or little as you want. You can do a quick, you know, once over, or you can do like a full-on scalp massage. It's like really whatever you feel. You can just massage it on. And that's it. You do your whole head and call it a day. I think it's a good idea to do it before bedtime, so that when you put your hair up, you know, in your bonnet or whatnot before bed, then it can marinate. But as long as you do it, it's good. Also, for the rest of your hair, if you want to moisturize the rest of your hair, if it's been like a week or two that it's been in the braids, you can spray your hair as well, and then add the oil to the braids. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to share the video, like it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and follow along with the different tips that I have to share with y'all. I am a licensed cosmetologist, so I kind of know what I'm talking about. But thank you for tuning in.